Welcome to Accelerator Pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2009 through 2010 Chevy Aveo Accelerator pedal. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. After setting up the battery, the multimeter should be set to 20 volts just like this. You're going to connect the positive from both the multimeter and the battery to this top pin. The negative from the battery should go up to the second pin like this. And the negative from the multimeter should be connected to the bottom pin just like this, or the 6th pin. Once you do this, it should be reading around 4.0 volts in the idle position. And as you slowly press down on the pedal, it should end at around 2.5 volts. You should be checking for both spikes and glitches during your tests. The second potentiometer, take out the previous pins, the previous plugs, and connect the positive from the battery and the multimeter to the 3rd pin, or the 3rd from the top, right like this. Then you connect the negative from the battery to the 4th pin, or 3rd from the bottom, and the negative from the multimeter to the 2nd from the bottom. Once you do this, it should be reading around 3.6 volts. As you begin to push in on the pedal, it should be reading about 2.0 volts at the very end. Remember to be checking for both spikes and glitches during your test. So what should this look like? Our expert here is going to show you how to easily test it for yourself. He's going to slowly press down on it. He's got the multimeter here and the battery here, and it's giving him the right results. So if yours is not doing this exactly, it's fine. If it's showing a big increase in volts, then I would recommend going to our link down below. Check out our page, and if this helps you at all whatsoever, recommend us to your friends and friends. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye.